Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Ampere Shower Power waterproof speaker. They also sell these at Brookstone. You might have bought this speaker at Brookstone. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your device, or if it's not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting from Bluetooth, a lot of issues like this can be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to need to set it up again because all of the pairing history will be wiped, but that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get a fresh start and pair it with new devices, and you just want to delete all of the pairing history on this speaker, we can do that very easily. All we need to do is come in and we're going to find the Bluetooth button. We're just going to press and hold it for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, it will make a little audible noise indicating that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and turn it off, turn it back on, and set it up as a new speaker.